Why are you covering your nose, Callie?
Have you seen it?
What's it smell like? What's it smell like?
It smells like skunks.
Like skunks? What does skunks smell like?
It smells like stink.
Like stink?
Yeah.
What do we say when something stinks?
Hey, you.
Hey, you!
Catch it. No problem.
Shoo!
That's one fast letter O. I went burp. No problem. The O hunters
You
are
burped?
on the job.
What do you say when you burp?
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
And so they chased the runaway O over to the meadow, where Dog was teaching